Today I'm going to show you for my video my digi birds and my little live pets, and the instructions are pretty cool what they tell you what they do. So I'm going to keep this for a random time. And first animal I'm going to show you is then the digi bird and then the live pets. So I'm going to show you 3. Well, I'm actually going to get them ready for you, and then I'm going to show you. Okay? So give me some pie. Okay. Thank you for waiting. These are my 2 digi birds. And I have to get the batteries because they started stopping for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, there's already batteries in here, but they're going flat. And it's funny because how they move their heads, because some birds go like this, and then they look like so. It's fun and funny because they do. And the coolest part about them that they do solo, so it's pretty cool what they do together. And I did have Facebook and I was like, So, and then the other thing I'm going to show you is my little lapis. I like you to meet Lily and Kate. So, that one needs batteries today, so which we're getting today. So I'm going to get Kate out, because she's the only one that really works. So they have I'm going to show you the cage after I finish what Kate does. So ready, I'll do what she does. So just get all this. So I'll do it. Hello, my minion. And I'm going to show you, we're both going, I'll tell you where we're going. We're both going to 14. Yeah, she does that. So then if you press it, I'm going to see, so hang on, I'm going to get the instruction for her. And I'm going to see how they pet. So 3 and you go up and up. So no, she's not tweaking. She's on. So gently stroke your bird's back and it will tweak for you. Continue petting and your bird will get happier and chirpier and tweety for longer and even toward whistled a true. So it says gently. She didn't do it now because I think she's different. So that's Kate, everybody. And so I'll show you what Lily looks like. See, she's a beautiful bird, and I really like her. She's my favourite, and she is too. And they're sisters. So they just turned 1 yesterday. Yeah. So take them out, and now I'm going to show you the cage, what it can do. And so this is the cage, and see, it has that. It's like those straw things, what they have like on hay and that they spread around the cages. And there's where they put their feet, and there's their food right there. it's not real, but sometimes I pretend that they're eating. So I play with them a lot, and they're my favourite birds. So now it's time for the instructions. So this one is, it's called I tweet, and I tweet, I sing. It says I say what you say on the front cover. To show you, it says, so you can actually, in the cage, it tells you what you can do in the cage. It says you can take the feeding bowl out. It tells you what the things in the cage are called. And it tells you how to take the lock out, so if you want to move the cage around. And that's how you put their feet in. And it tells you how many birds you can put in there. And then that is what they know what to do. And it tells us what's on there, what you do in the buttons of it. And that tells us what they do, like talking and singing and what you do to make them. And that's how you pat them, like that. And then it tells us that they can sleep. And if you leave them, they'll actually tweet to get your attention. So I'll just read it to you. So it says, when you leave your bed alone, it will chirp, tweet, and sing out to get your attention. If you're lucky, it might even repeat the pat phrase you say earlier. Your bird will fall asleep after half an hour, but you can wake it up at any time by pressing the button on its chest. Then you can start playing all over again. Okay. And on the other side, it tells us how it's on, off, or try me, and that's how it tells us how to put the batteries in. And that is cleaning. So it says, after playing, your bird may develop some dirt marks on its soft surface. Cleaning objects. Oh wow. So it is static, so I was playing with it. And yeah, it tells us all that kind of stuff. So that's what I like about instructions. They tell you cool things and you get to know about more things and get to love them more, and you want to play with them all the time. The next one is this one. I got this one in the packet by itself, and I got this one I got Kate with the one when she's in the cage, and I got Lily in a packet. And yeah, in the cage with Lily in the cage. So this one is her and her instruction, but it actually was her in their box, in Kate's box, but this one is for Lily. So so it kind of tells us the same thing. Pretty cool that it tells us the same thing. It's, yeah. See? And then it's that. So I'll get you to look at it and all that. And see. So, yeah. So, thank you for watching, and I got a surprise for you. Okay, I'll show you, hang on. She said, have a great day with your little live pets. And I hope everyone does, if they have them. And I saw the girls like videos, like how they have little live pets. And yeah, it's fun because I wanted to share mine with all of you if you didn't have any, but if you guys do, just show your friends if they don't have it, my video, anyone else's. So,